Begin by removing the 4 screws that mount the housing to the floor. Then, flip the housing over. There you will locate 4 bolts that hold the bar mount to the housing. Unbolt the 4 bolts and bar mount and set aside. Remove the roller and bar from the housing by lifting up on the bar. Slide the bar out one side of the roller and get your new roller replacement from Infinite Innovations. Slide the bar into the roller and place it back in the frame. Make sure the bar is even in the housing and reinstall the bar mount using the 4 bolts that were previously removed. Make sure to tighten them down and flip the housing back over and reinstall to the floor using the 4 screws.